Matip ngaya pulih hai na hai. Bagi sendang bayo abreu am. Ki em news nam tam. Ya kitu bo shong morway. Ko mamia.
Wat mudur li min em temian mea. Nam kum ta ti mayai hapun sai so nap kin chong mea.
Mea kertang complete. Tempat jing em jong ma incomplete.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Presiden jangka All India Trinamool Congress Meghalaya. Upa Charles Pingrop, Ubadeiru MLA jangka Nongthamai constituency. Ulapan pau ya ka Jingsosi, halor ka Jingja badang Shen ha Thangsko. Ong baka Jingdu ki minsim brio. Kan omja jen lada ka sorkar ka Khang Sendon ya ka Jingtih Dewïong Beaiñ ha ka jela Barokawai. Haba kentho halor kani ke Jingja, uba Pingrop ula ongru, baka sorkar kamdesho bandang len ya ki Jingshisha, ba kamdan ka Jingtih Dewïong Beaiñ. Henry kapor kala day baka sorkar kan shim ya ka jingker kli bat ban Khang bed ya ka Jingtih Dewïong Beaiñ kanang baka Jingdu ki minsim brio kan jashu nang ni Shekhmat hapo kejela.
The government has to take strong measures where illegal mining is totally stopped. We just can't deny the fact that it's happening, but at the same time, a lot of strict action must be taken against those who are carrying out illegal mining, and also to have some measures to not allow anyone to do it in the first place. It's not something that is that can be hidden and done. Everybody is visible from every angle. Therefore, efforts must be done by the government to stop this, so that such unfortunate incidents and people losing their lives is very sad. I would suggest that the state government should do a proper investigation, whether they need an independent inquiry or whether they need some independent sources to do it for them. That's for them to decide. But some action has to be taken to stop, completely stop, because we have raised the issue many a time in the House and even other circles, that the illegal mining and transportation of coal has to stop. Otherwise, these incidents will happen again.